This is where $70 million aircraft are brought to life.
Every detail here defines modern private aviation.
This factory is built for precision, not speed. Elite craftsmanship still requires human hands.
Inside, comfort becomes a calculated science.
Technology here exists for control, not spectacle.
Perfection is verified, never assumed. Before flight, every movement is measured.
This is transportation built for influence.
Private aviation begins long before takeoff.
Everything starts with a structure built to survive decades of flight. Accuracy here is measured in fractions of millimeters. The wings define how elegance meets physics. Power is engineered for silence, not noise.
Miles of wiring connect pilots to total control.
Luxury is built from the inside out. Silence is one of the most expensive features on board. Machines assist, but perfection is finished by hand.
This is where engineering becomes experience. Nothing leaves this floor without absolute confidence.
If you love luxury content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Inside Luxury, share it with your friends, and don't forget to ring the bell icon.
Painting a private jet is a science of precision and patience. Before paint, the surface must be absolutely flawless. Each layer adds durability, protection, and perfection.
The finish must look perfect from every altitude.
Every marking follows strict international standards. Luxury windows are engineered for pressure, not just views. Every system is tested long before first flight. This system must handle millions of safe landings.
Visibility and safety are designed into every detail.
At this stage, the aircraft is nearly ready for the sky. Now the brain of the aircraft begins to take shape. This cockpit is designed for pilots flying anywhere in the world. Every cable is carefully mapped for absolute reliability. Advanced avionics bring precision, safety, and global connectivity. Pilots experience control that feels effortless and exact. The windshield is engineered to withstand extreme pressure. Silence at 40,000 feet starts inside these walls.
Cabin comfort is engineered before luxury even begins. Safety systems are tested far beyond real flight conditions. This cockpit is now ready to fly a $70 million aircraft. Luxury begins with an exact interior layout. Every panel is custom-made for perfect fit and balance. This is how private jets stay whisper quiet in the sky.
Seat placement is engineered for space, privacy, and flow.
Cabin floors support comfort, safety, and silent flight. Every seat is hand-finished for long-haul comfort. Natural materials bring warmth at 40,000 feet. Lighting is designed to reduce fatigue and elevate mood. This cabin feels closer to a penthouse than an aircraft. The interior now reflects true airborne luxury. Advanced avionics turn pilots into precision decision-makers. Passengers control lighting, temperature, and privacy instantly. Every signal is tested for absolute reliability. High-speed internet keeps the world within reach. Entertainment systems rival the finest private theaters. Cabin air is filtered cleaner than most luxury offices. Silence is engineered, not accidental. Safety systems meet the highest aviation standards. Every electronic system now works in perfect harmony. Technology disappears when luxury is done right. Every surface must feel flawless before approval. Balance directly affects performance, range, and safety.
Cabin pressure is tested for extreme altitude conditions. Comfort is tested over hours, not minutes.
Redundancy ensures zero room for failure. External systems face constant stress in real flight. Even invisible flaws are unacceptable at this level. The aircraft is ready to leave the build floor. This is where engineering gives its final consent. This is not delivery. This is elevation. Years of engineering become a single moment. This aircraft is built to stand apart. Every detail signals precision and exclusivity. Each jet is personalized for a single owner. Silence, space, and control define the experience.
Scale matters when performance is everything.
This aircraft is ready for the world. For those who operate above the ordinary. This is aviation without compromise. This is how a $70 million jet is born.